Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember to click on another video after this. But listen, two things me have to say about this. Don Chargey with Chargey Badness from Gulf in a Portmore. Yo, wanna take over for broke badness. Wanna take over for black man them. Cause Klansman, them are the brokest set of blood clot criminal them when me know, yo. Them not have nothing. And them say them are extort $1.5 million a day in a Spanish town. And the whole of them they are prison, them not even have no good lawyer. Or the government affair give them lawyer. Now, Don Chargey, or what you want name, una some broke bad man. And one more thing I want to say to you after this. Me say one thing, but I more than one thing I want to say. Yo, una bad mind the youth. Through the youth now buy no shoes for no. And una so-called bad man and have no shoes. Una know what shoes mean. It's the street term for gun. If una a bad man, una fi have no own a shoes. You understand? Una want sick boss mind una. Like him a batty man. Like me say, me not talk about this too much. Them say him woman a rule him. And me and some of my brethren them did a talk last night. And my good friends them and the man them kinda a defend Don Chargey and I say boy Silk Boss wrong. But at the same time them also I say them understand Silk Boss. Well, me see it different. Him not have to par with them. Him not have to buy no machine and no shoes. You understand? Now, me different. If countryman did a flex to the man them would have been by my shoes them. And say, yo, now now flex, see two shoes here. You know go and wear them. That are just me. So I have to be honest, that are just countryman would have buy my shoes them. And give the man them a one shoes. But at the same time, them should have encourage the youth to buy him car and encourage the youth to find a good place to live. And now, once him do that, him can buy them a one shoes. If him and them a par. You understand? That are the overall logics. But the way the man them come out and talk about you can't tell say them are some broke bad man. And them not have nothing. And them are hate upon the youth. You understand? The next thing I want to talk to them about. You see the fact that Sir P have on the picture of Don Chargey picture? Watch what I happen to Don Chargey. Police soon go feed him. And that me I tell you now. So Don Chargey, watch what gonna happen to you. And watch what gonna happen to the Gulf man them. Police are gonna come over there. Police are gonna come over there. Even Terror Don have to watch himself too. And like that me have to tell you now. Now, like me say, the fact that Sir P have Chargey picture best believe say the government a program them now. And that's all me have to say. And like me saying at the beginning, Chargey, Chargey and the Gulfman them take over for Black Man with Badness. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video.